tall. Hold the right ankle and bring the heel to the right butt. Feel the stretch in the right front of the thigh. Release and set the right foot forward and switch to the left leg. Hold the left ankle and bring the heel to the left butt. Feel the stretch in the left front of the thigh. Ensure both the knees are together and the torso is tall. Repeat this for a desired number of reps. If there is no place to walk, you can do this stationed in one place. Engage your abs to balance on one foot as you stand tall. This movement challenges you to stretch one leg and balance the other. Feel the stretch in the right quads. Feel the stretch in the left quads. Keep the torso tall. Engage your abs to balance on one foot as you stand tall. Stand tall. Hug the right thigh closer to the chest and hop on the left foot. Feel the stretch in the right hamstring. Release the right leg, step forward and switch legs. Exhale. Hug the left thigh and jump off the right foot. Keep the torso tall throughout. To hop, push off the ball of the foot and straighten the knee at the same time. Stay tall during the hop. Try to find balance on one leg. Gently engage the abs. If hamstrings are tight, avoid hopping. Stay tall and just hug the thigh to get a stretch. Feel the stretch in the right hamstring. Feel the stretch in the left hamstring. Stand tall. Hug the right thigh closer to the chest. Feel the stretch in the right hamstring. Now lunge forward with the right leg, ensuring both the knees are at 90 degrees. Clasp both the palms in front of the chest and twist to the right with straight arms. Maintain balance by engaging your abs and grounding your feet. Step forward with left leg into standing position. Hug the left thigh closer to the chest. Feel the stretch in the left hamstring. Lunge forward with your left leg and twist to the left side. Repeat for a few reps. As you lunge in and out, use the hips to drive the movement. Engage your abs and ground your feet during a lunge. Keep your torso firmly tall throughout. Twisting the torso challenges your balance more. As you lunge in and out, use the hips to drive the movement. Engage your abs and ground your feet during a lunge. Stand tall, arms parallel and in front of the chest. Exhale, step forward with the right leg, hinge from the hip, lift the left leg up, keep the back flat and touch the fingertips to the floor. Both the hips should be squared. Feel the stretch in the right hamstring. Inhale, come up to standing position and step with the left leg forward to hinge and touch the floor. Repeat this for a few reps. You can do this in place if there is lack of space. If it is tougher to balance, please take support. Lift the leg up till the torso is parallel to the floor. Engage your abs and ground one of your feet as you walk. Feel the stretch in the back of the right leg. Feel the stretch in the back of the left leg. Ensure that the hips and shoulders are squared throughout. This movement challenges your one-leg balance while stretching it. You should feel the stretch only on one leg each rep. Avoid rounding the back. Lift the leg up till the torso is parallel to the floor. Engage your abs and ground one of your feet as you walk.